Namaste everyone, welcome back to Simply Hindi, where we make Hindi simple, fun and practical. In today's video, you are going to learn the difference between मैं, मुझे and मेरा, मेरी and मेरे. This video is going to be super fun and super easy. Watch it till the end so that you understand the difference between these three interchangeably used and sometimes confusing words. Right? Let's start with मैं. So मैं in English literally stands for I. Okay, it is the subject of the sentence when you are doing something, right? So for example, I am eating rice would be मैं चावल खा रही हूँ. I, which is मैं, would be मैं चावल खा रही हूँ when the subject मैं is doing something, right? So I go to school, मैं स्कूल जा रहा हूँ. I teach, मैं सिखाती हूँ. I teach हिंदी, मैं हिंदी सिखाती हूँ. So मैं is the subject of the sentence when the subject is doing the action, whatever action is there. Okay, so now we're going to talk about मुझे, and this is where a lot of people get confused because मैं and मुझे, they're two words that when translated in English they would mean I, right? But there's a lot of difference. मैं is basically the subject of the sentence who is doing the action, right? But मुझे, you can think of it like this, is when you use it when some action is happening to you, or you're receiving something, or a feeling or an emotion is happening to you, right? When something is happening to you is when you use the word मुझे. Okay, for example, I am feeling hungry. I am feeling hungry, roughly translated means hunger is happening to me, right? This feeling of hunger is happening to me. So in Hindi you would say मुझे भूख लग रही है. मुझे भूख लग रही है. I got a gift. Okay, so you received something and that would be मुझे gift मिला और मुझे तोहफा मिला. And I know Hindi, which means Hindi comes to me. So you would say मुझे हिंदी आती है. मुझे हिंदी आती है. So this is how you would use मुझे. So one way of remembering it is that मैं is when you are the doer of the action and मुझे is when something is happening to you. This is a very nice way of remembering and differentiating between मैं and मुझे. To the final part of this video, when we discuss मेरा, मेरी and मेरे, these three words are a little separate and a little different from मैं and मुझे because when translated in English, they mean my. Okay, the word is used when you show possession to something that you own. Okay, something that is yours. So I want to say my name, I would say मेरा नाम. My watch, I would say मेरी घड़ी. My time, I would say मेरा समय, मेरा वक्त, right? So anything that belongs to you, meaning the subject I, and you use it with the subject, that is when you will use मेरा, मेरी or मेरे. Okay, so now just the difference in very short between मेरा, मेरी and मेरे, because I've created a video about this separately. You can check it out in my YouTube channel. So in short, मेरा is used when the subject is masculine and singular. Okay, so my brother would be मेरा भाई. Okay, my phone would be मेरा phone. Okay, and then मेरी is used when the subject is feminine and singular. Feminine and singular. So for example, घड़ी means watch. घड़ी is a feminine word. So you would say मेरी घड़ी. Sister, obviously feminine and singular, would be मेरी बहन. Okay, so this is when you use मेरी. And मेरे, the last part, is you use it when you talk about something plural and masculine. For example, shoes. My shoes would be मेरे जूते. Or कपड़े, which is clothes, that would be मेरे कपड़े. मेरे is also used when the subject is masculine, singular, but you intend to show respect to the subject. Okay, for example, father. Okay, it's a relationship that you give a lot of respect to. So my father would be मेरे पिताजी or मेरे पापा. My grandfather would be मेरे दादाजी. Okay, so this is where मेरे is used. So I hope you got the difference between मैं, मुझे, मेरा, मेरी and मेरे. I am pinning a screenshot on the video and you can check it out. You can screenshot it and save it. For the next time you might get confused, or you can come back to this video. And for such Hindi content and for any such doubts, please comment, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, please like, and I am eagerly waiting for your comments. I will also put a few sentences in the description box, which you can try in the comment section and I can reply to them. So thank you for watching the video. Dhanyavad.